Hi sweets, how you guys doing? So I have Shanika featured in yet another video. We can just call this the Shanika series, the best friend series.
Hey,
that's my bestie,
like
my bestie. Hey, we're gonna be doing the Bean Boozled challenge, and I'm not lying, I'm nervous, but just
deep breaths.
like I know I have a strong stomach, but I don't feel like when it's in my mouth at the same thing.
Like, I don't know how these people even get these type of flavors into a jelly bean. Like, how did you do that? I don't like you.
You ruined the jelly beans.
Darn.
So Shanika's gonna go first.
Already. Is that even a spin?
Yeah, man.
Does that count?
That is lime or lawn clippings.
That
Here you go, boo.
Like cancer bud.
You know how grass tastes?
So, alright. Let's go.
I want to look limeish still. She ain't got no poker face.
No, I really don't know if this is lime or lawn clipping, so that is really bad. I am still trying to find out what.
But lime must just taste
like
like
it's not that bad, so I'm gonna treat that's why.
Is lawn clippings?
But I don't know why lime.
Alright, my turn.
Spin. Alright. So that's
caramel corn or
moldy cheese.
Alright.
So let's go, girl.
God be good to me.
Eat that steak, girl. Eat that hamburger, girl. Do you need the bucket, girl?
No, that one a caramel corn. You know moldy cheese thing?
Well,
go.
let's put some like pepper jack cheese.
And a pepper jack cheese. Smell like caramel corn.
No, dog.
That is not moldy cheese. I literally taste caramel. It smells like moldy cheese. You know, say taste like pepper jack cheese.
The difference between caramel corn and moldy cheese.
But now I know that me I taste it back. It tastes like a pepper jackish.
I knew I smelled pepper jack cheese.
Dog, that don't
No, girl.
You smell it too. I kid you not.
Pepper jack cheese, don't.
Well, we can't eat moldy cheese from now on when it's running in the fridge because it never tastes bad.
This girl said it was caramel corn.
Coconut though.
This is coconutty. So let's hope.
No! 5 seconds, you lose! Dog!
I could not hold that.
I guess you don't like coconut.
No. That is definitely spoiled me.
It is bad.
That's no coconut.
It was that bad?
Dog, when I put the thing in my mouth, I know it.
Toothpaste or
berry blue. Toothpaste or berry blue.
We literally only have one of these. This is toothpaste. Take that moldy cheese out of my side. This is toothpaste.
Oh shit, that smells good. Let me tell you. And it's aqua fresh too.
Yeah, it is. I was just gonna say it tastes like aqua fresh.
It is aqua fresh.
Ain't no more moldy cheese over here.
Alright, so my turn.
Tutti frutti or
stinky socks. That's like a Come, tutti frutti. Stinky
socks. Oh, tutti frutti. You sure? Yeah, man, we can smell that. Smell nicey. More one. That smells nice. See?
Strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish.
Especially my friend.
Dead fish. You know, I get a bucket.
Yo!
smell like a dead
Bring
fish.
back the bucket.
No, don't tell me you want to spit. Oh. I think we need to change bags in the bin. Dog, I smell it. It stinks for real. It stinks for real. Like, this is legit. This is legit shit.
The bucket
This...
smell like dead fish now.
Alright, I'm going to change the bag. I'm going to change the bag because...
I want me to deserve that.
Oh,
Dog, that's the canned food.
chocolate pudding or canned dog food.
Here you go.
Alright.
I'll be keep your water handy.
Condition of mine.
Can't prepare yourself for
Yeah, it
that.
doesn't smell at all.
And them trick you know.
Oh my god.
No! They can smell it!
Can't hack it.
We ain't got no poker faces, Ian. I'm gonna pick you up, that's it. All I got is water, that's it. Yo, that legit smells like dog food. Like when you But now I forgot again, right?
Like, I legit only bit it once and like was holding it between my teeth and I couldn't hack it. I swear to God, I couldn't hack it. I swear. Coconut or spoiled milk? It's coconut. Coconut. Here's the big spit. Spit in the bin. Have some. Oh, have some. I don't want to.
Man, I do not know if you deserve this. Alright guys, so we finally finished the challenge. Like, longest thing ever. It was dreadful.
was
The bad
terrible.
flavors were so bad.
It
Like,
was terrible. Like, I still have to be drinking water.
like you feel like it, like, I don't know, I would have wished I gave it for my worst enemy. But I think like if you have like a large group of friends and you guys do it, it would be an awesome time.
Yes,
Like it would be
definitely.
hilarious. But damn,
It was bad.
it was bad.
It was really bad.
It was,
It was really,
was
really
so
bad. I'm
bad.
not even joking.
I think the dead fish was the worst one.
Yeah, the smell of the dead fish was terrible. I had to
smell bad. It
tasted bad.
it tastes bad. It was bad.
The canned dog food, that was terrible. I literally took one bite of it and I had to spit it out. It was just dreadful, terrible, bad. But done after that still. But yeah.
Okay guys, so really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, remember to give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos, hit subscribe. And I just want to thank Shanika again for being here. And boy, you endure enough with me, man.
Yeah,
Like,
true.
so they did rough.
I'm right.
Today I want to really step in a woofer gym. Yeah. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.